What's up, legends? Welcome to the Ultimate Gaming Hub, where we break down the best tips, tricks, and hidden strategies to help you dominate your favorite mobile games. If you live for gaming and want to stay ahead of the competition, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss any of our game-changing content. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful hack method to boost your stars and coins in Gardenscapes, completely safe, and it works on both iOS and Android. Stick around until the end because every step matters and you don't want to miss a thing. Let's get started. Before getting started, make sure your game is fully updated. Running the latest version is essential to ensure everything works correctly. Head over to your app store, check for any available updates, and install them if needed. Once you're all set with the latest version, we're ready to roll. Now grab your mobile device and open up your favorite web browser. Head over to this site. This is a trusted platform that offers a range of hack tools for popular games and apps. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to find Gardenscapes Hack, then tap on it to access its dedicated section. Now you'll see all the essential information about this mod. To begin the process, click on the orange button and the system will start the process. The tool will begin injecting the resources into your game automatically. This may take a few moments depending on your connection and device. During this process, the system will handle everything, including security bypassing and proxy setup, so you don't have to worry about anything. Before finishing up, there's a quick verification step to confirm you're a real player. This might involve downloading a free app from App Store, watching a short video, or filling out a simple survey. It's super easy and only takes a couple of minutes. If you're unsure about what to do, the website even provides a video tutorial to guide you through the process. Once you've completed this step, you're good to go. And just like that, your resources should now be available in your account, ready to use. I tested this method myself and it worked like a charm. Within seconds, my account was loaded up, and I enjoyed the game without any limits. Now it's your turn to take advantage and dominate the game like never before. That's all for today's guide. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and share it with your fellow gamers. Have any questions or need help? Drop a comment below and I'll do my best to assist you. Don't forget to subscribe with notifications turned on so you never miss the latest gaming tips, tricks, and updates. Until next time, happy gaming. Catch you in the next hack tutorial.